So we're gonna lie on the back and you're just gonna take your knees over your hips and you're gonna rock side to side. We're gonna use the ground tonight to really just help work out the tension in the back, the shoulders, the lower back. So right now, I want you to just take your knees over your hips and rock from side to side and just get into the lower back. You can start to go in circles. And then go in the other direction. And I want you to take your feet down onto the ground and just have them hip distance apart and have your arms down by your sides and just maybe pick up the upper back and set them back down so that your shoulders can roll back. And I want you to take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And one more, inhale and exhale. Take as many of those as you need as you start to let go, as you start to release and relax. And with your feet hip distance apart, you're going to keep them there. You're just going to simply take a deep inhale and you're going to exhale, take the knees down to the left. And just feel a slight stretch in the lower back, maybe in the right hamstring, the right quad, you'll feel the stretch. Inhale back to center and exhale to the other side. And I want you to put the arms however they'll support you in this position. They can be out to the side, they can be down, they can be, elbows can be bent. Just see where they feel most comfortable. Inhale back to center, exhale to the other side. Keep taking those deep breaths. Inhale back to center, exhale to the other side. Continuing to release and relax. And we're going to inhale the knees back to center. And we're going to take the right ankle over your left thigh, just above your left knee. And you're going to take your right arm in between the legs and take your left hand, interlace it behind that left thigh. So just getting a slight little stretch behind that right leg. And make sure your head is relaxed, your shoulders are down. And if they don't reach and it causes you to let go of your leg, then I want you to see if stepping this left foot down and pushing, guiding that right knee forward will help you to feel that stretch in the right hip. So this would be the first, if the shoulders and the head don't come down. If they do, then you can bring the left thigh towards you and interlace the hands behind the left thigh. Remember to take in some deep breaths. And then with that right foot, you can either keep it relaxed or you can flex the foot. On your next exhale, you're going to gently release. And you're going to switch sides and take that left ankle over your right thigh. See if you can feel the stretch by just gently pressing that left knee away from you. So if it's like this, you can press it forward away from you. If you want it to be a little bit deeper and go a bit deeper into the stretch for your left hip, you can draw that right knee in towards your chest and interlace your fingers behind that right thigh. See how it feels for your in opening up this hip with the left foot either relaxed or flexed. Take some deep breaths. And on your next exhale, we're going to gently release, take that foot down. Take the knees over the hips again, rock from side to side, rock in circles, go in the opposite direction. I'm going to guide you through different exercises, but I really want you to feel it into your body, what feels good for you in the moment. So even though I might be giving you certain directions or telling you to, try something, I want you to really feel into it and see what feels right for you. All right, next thing, we're going to take the legs up. If the hamstrings feel super tight, then just keep the knees bent. Actually, let's take the left foot down, just take the right leg up, and we're going to interlace the fingers and take it behind the thigh. And we're going to rotate the ankle here. And then we're going to exhale, take that right foot down and lengthen the left leg up, interlace fingers behind the leg, and you're going to rotate the ankle. And feel that stretch all the way down the back of the leg. Make sure you rotate the foot in the other direction. Hi, welcome, Philip. We're just in the middle of doing our stretching portion. So if you want to join us, you can just jump right in. And on your next exhale, we're going to release. Take that foot down and we're going to take both legs up, and I want you to just shake it out. Shake out the ankle, shake out the calves, shake out the thighs. Don't forget to take in some deep breaths. And I want you to shake and jiggle the calves, like jiggle them loose, jiggle the thighs, let go of the thighs, any tension in the legs, just let it go. So we're really reversing the circulation here, reversing the flow of the blood. There's one time where I forgot what I was doing, but my legs were just like super tired, super sore. And I just did this and it like just released all the tension. I couldn't believe it. It was like, it's kind of like a self massage here, just letting go of the muscles and the tension here. Okay, we're going to set the feet down, hip distance apart. And we're going to go with the breath where we're going to inhale the hips up. As you inhale and you press the tops of the shoulders down, and you're going to slowly exhale, roll the top vertebrae down, one vertebrae at a time till the hips roll down. And again, inhale, roll it back up from the bottom of the spine all the way to the top, pressing down into your feet, pressing to the tops of the shoulders, and exhale. So I want you to just follow your breath, follow the movement of the spine. And once your tailbone reaches down, that's the bottom of your exhale. So then you're going to inhale, start the roll back up. Feel the bottoms, the four corners of your feet rooting down and using the strength of your thighs to support this motion. And rolling back down. Just flow with your breath. We're going to do a couple more. And make this feel really good. If it feels good here, because it feels really good on my shoulders right here, you can hold it. Hold it for a few breaths. See how that feels for you. And just really tune in to what your body needs right now. So I really want this first half hour that we meet every Wednesday to just be a time where you can just give your body what it needs. And once you settle back down at the bottom of your next exhale, I want you to just pause here. Take a few deep breaths in through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Take a couple more of those. And right now, I want you to take the feet down, take the arms up, stretch from fingertips to tippy toes. Get super long in the front of the torso. Get that nice stretch to the front of the body. Feel it all the way up through the arms, through the armpits, through the sides. And then I want you to just take a minute and roll on the ground and see what feels good here. Any shape, any movement, just really using the ground to massage your back, massage your hips, upper back. Any movements that we've just done, you can go back to. So we started with this movement, the hips, taking the knees over the hips, rocking from side to side. You can take the legs up as you're rolling. Take whatever shape you've already taken and just incorporate that onto this as you're rolling on the ground, and just make it feel really good for your back. Just take this time to just feel out like what your body needs right now. Don't forget your neck, maybe your jaw. And then once you've rolled and stretched it all out, I want you to just take the legs down, take the arms down. And we're going to come into just this relaxed position here where your back of the legs are on the ground, your hips are on the ground, your back is on the ground. And I want you to stay here as I guide you to just relax everything. So see how your legs are. Do they need to come apart even further? Do your hips need a little more room? If they do, then just widen the legs. And wiggle the legs and the feet side to side. I'm up just so I can see the screen, but I want you to just continue laying down, keep the back flat on the ground. And once you've let go of any tension that's left in the feet and the legs, I want you to bring the legs to stillness. Relax the hips. Draw the shoulder blades down the back. And notice if the palms are face down or if they're face up. And if they're face down, I want you to try turning them face up, allowing the shoulders to just externally rotate and open, allowing some opening in the chest. See how that feels. If it's uncomfortable, then just turn the palms face down. And then relax your neck. Let go of your jaw. And maybe flutter the lips. Letting go of any tension in the jaw and the cheeks. Maybe open the jaw wide and just stretch out any tension in the jaw and the face. Relax your eyes. And relax your mind. Let go of any thoughts. And if there are any thoughts, I want you to focus on relaxing your tongue. Oftentimes when we have thoughts going through our heads, when we're talking to ourselves, our tongue isn't relaxed. So if you want to let go of any thoughts, I want you to try just relaxing your tongue and seeing how that happens. Welcome, Panos. We're almost finished with our stretching portion, so you can just join in and relax. So you guys are both coming in at just the point of relaxation. So I want you to continue relaxing your tongue, letting go of any thoughts. And just know that there's nowhere to go, nothing to do, but to just be here right now as you are for a few more moments. Just enjoy this relaxation. And now I invite you to take in some deep breaths in through the nose and exhale. Start to wiggle your toes and your fingers. And stretch your arms up overhead and stretch from fingertips to tippy toes. Hug your knees into your chest. Gently roll off to your side. And then gently press yourself up to sitting.